You find a free utility for your PC, a converter, a cleanup tool, a small game. It does the job. It has no trial, no watermark, no account. And somewhere in the back of your mind you think, what is paying for this? Something always is. Your data, ads, or a subscription you forget to cancel. But there is one more cleaner way that does not touch your data. Companies pay to read public web pages from a home connection instead of a data center, and software can borrow a little of your internet connection while you are not using it. This is the trade. You spare a little bandwidth for the tool and nothing to pay. But this trade is only fair if you agree to it. So here is what agreeing should look like, step by step. You see it at install on its own screen before anything is running. Not buried in a license agreement nobody reads, its own screen in plain words. Nothing is ticked for you. You reach out and choose it. If you change your mind, you can switch the bandwidth on and off. And when you are done with it, you can uninstall the app. Everything goes with it. No leftover service, nothing running afterwards. Told up front, nothing pre-ticked, a switch you can reach, and a clean uninstall. Free software can be paid for honestly. This is what it looks like when it is.